How to remove the down arrow button from Gboard on Android. This tutorial shows you how to hide the keyboard button that appears at the bottom right of your keyboard. First, open any app with a search or text field. The app drawer search works perfectly for this. After that, tap on the text field to bring up your keyboard and take a look at the bottom right corner. You'll see a down arrow button sitting there, which hides the keyboard when tapped. From there, to remove it, open the Settings app on your Android device. Right here, scroll down and tap on General Management. Next up, tap on Keyboard to open the keyboard settings. Moving on, scroll all the way to the bottom, and you'll find an option that says Show Button to Hide Keyboard. From here, tap the toggle next to it to turn it off. Following this, go back and close out of Settings completely. Finally, open your text field again and tap on it to bring up the keyboard. The down arrow button will no longer be there. If this helped you out, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell for updates. See you in the next one.